Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
More hands-on with a go-anywhere rechargeable TV. One of the gadgets we've been spending time with this summer is the 24-inch Companion HD TV from Skyworth. It's designed to run for about 3 hours on a charge and has Google TV built in. If you're in the backyard, you can use your home internet connection or opt for campsite Wi-Fi or your own hotspot when traveling. It has a handy carry handle, inputs for HDMI, composite, and USB. You can opt to listen via Bluetooth too. Director of Sales Michael Gleason.
It's great for bringing from room to room. Obviously great for camping, anything outdoors. This is an awesome product.
We agree, certainly a better viewing experience than with a phone or most tablets, and the price on Amazon is about $450.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Perfection. That's the goal of every outdoor chef. How to make each bite, each meal fantastic. The Monument Denali 605 Pro Grill unleashes your creativity with an innovative blade infrared burner system and a ceramic infrared sear burner that will bring sizzle to your everyday dishes and those get-togethers with family and friends. And Monument does it with stainless steel style and features that make grilling more fun and easy, like lighted knobs that indicate temperature settings, Bluetooth, a glide-out propane tank, dual temperature probes, and a rotisserie. Versatility, you can turn this great griller into a pizza oven or a griddle. And that stainless steel design is built to last. The Denali 605 Pro delivers, and it is just a part of the amazing lineup you'll find at monumentgrills.com.